Hello my beautiful people. I woke up this morning. As you all know, I dropped my movie yesterday, The Memory of You Part 2, the final concluding part. And to my greatest surprise, I found out that there's this TV station called Northeast TV in Ghana. It's already showing my movie on their TV channel. Like, I don't understand. I didn't give you permission. I don't know you. Is the fact that you just sit down in.
Tèmi IYABO Ojo ó ti sunkún síta o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ fíìmù rẹ̀ tí wọ́n pirate The Memory of You tí yóò ṣe tí ó ṣe gbé jáde. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, arábìnrin yìí ó ti ké gbàjarè síta o. Ó sọ wípé tí òun bá mú ẹni náà wípé òun yóò bá fà á. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, arábìnrin yìí ó tún sọ̀rọ̀ nípa fíìmù MIDE Martins yá nínú fọ́nrán tí ẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ní ìparí rẹ̀ ló ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ gbìyànjú láti wo fọ́nrán yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo èyí tó kù.
In your corner, we go through the hard work of producing a movie, and then the next thing, boom! Why are you pirating my movie? You have no right. You have no right whatsoever. You did not communicate with me. You just took my movie that I posted on my YouTube channel, not even up to 24 hours. Boom, you put it on your TV for people to watch for free, and then you make money and you expect that your life will be better. Nígbà tí ẹgbẹ́ ogun fẹ́ pa ẹ́, ẹ̀yin fans mi má bínú. Nígbà tí ṣe gbé bóyá ó fẹ́ kúkú òfò fẹ́ kúkú dànù. You carried my movie. Whoever it is that is behind that any TV and any other TV, because I heard that is what you people have been doing. Because I remember Bimbo came out to complain. And I even thought that lady, Kufuyi Danku, the last time I thought maybe they found something to do about this. Because I also heard they said maybe we are cloud chasing. I don't understand cloud chasing as in, how can someone spend so much money to produce a movie and then the next thing is that they are putting it on their TV stations in Ghana? Is Africans doing Africans? It doesn't make any sense. Whether it's a Ghanaian or in Nigeria, whoever it is that is behind all these TV stations that are putting up our movies without our permission or right, without paying, without saying nothing or doing anything. NFA in Ghana, National Film Authority, Minister of Art and Culture in Ghana, Ghana President himself. Please, you people should look into this thing because it is very unfair that we Nigerians will be working so hard to produce our movies, and then some people will sit in their corner and be transmitting it on their TV, their local TV there. It doesn't make any sense. This is not cloud chasing, no. This is real life story. Share me take Express TV, me share and grow. Me share tabio. You now want to take out of the small views that I'm having. Because if you are showing it on your TV in Ghana, people that are supposed to go on the YouTube to watch it, they won't go there to watch it. So how do we make our money back? It doesn't make any sense. I beg. I jump to the along. My movie, The Memory of You, Part 1 and 2. Any other movie of mine, don't carry it, you. Oh, ni we mo kan sibi to be lo. Zibe ibe se. Olorun. Oh, ni le we mo. A word is enough for the wise, you. Someone will work very hard. And then you will not carry the job and go and put it on your TV channel. Inola Jo TV channel yin yen o. Ogunlapa TV channel àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní àti tẹ́ don jókòó tẹ́ don transmit it. Do you know how many millions that was spent in producing that movie that you see like that? Don't you know those actors were paid? Don't you know equipment were paid for? Locations were paid for? Feeding, accommodation, costume, makeup. Do you think it's cheap? Then you not take the movie and start showing it on your TV channel without paying a dime, a kobo, without contacting the person. Ourselves, our brothers, our sisters, but we are the same ones, same people doing ourselves. Whoever you people are, as you gather to destroy the handwork of someone who is struggling and putting on effort to survive, may God and the thunder in heaven strike you dead. May God destroy you as you have chosen to sit in your corners to destroy other people's work. May God destroy you, whoever it is that you are, born of a woman or any spirit being. May the thunder in heaven, may they destroy. May I mad your heart, squeeze your neck and throw you off board. May you continue to work and never reap the fruit of your labor. Yes, useless.